Ashwagandha is an ancient herb, revered for its powerful health benefits. This small, evergreen shrub, with yellow flowers and red fruit, has been used for over 3,000 years in traditional Indian medicine. It's from India, where it thrives in the dry regions. People call it Indian ginseng because of its rejuvenating properties. In bustling markets you can find it sold in various forms, from raw roots to powdered supplements. For centuries it has been a cornerstone of Ayurveda, the ancient system of medicine that emphasizes balance and holistic healing. Ancient texts describe its use in treating a variety of ailments from stress and anxiety to inflammation and fatigue. Ayurveda is traditional Indian medicine, a practice that dates back thousands of years. Practitioners believe in the interconnectedness of the body, mind and spirit, and ashwagandha plays a crucial role in maintaining this harmony. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen. Adaptogens help your body manage stress by regulating hormones and improving your body's resilience to physical and mental stressors. Imagine it as a natural stress shield, helping you stay calm and focused. Think of it as a little helper for your body and mind. It supports your adrenal glands, which are responsible for producing stress hormones like cortisol. By balancing these hormones, ashwagandha helps you feel more relaxed and at ease. Ashwagandha is gaining popularity in the modern world. People are increasingly looking for natural remedies to enhance their health and well-being. In health stores and online, you'll find a growing array of ashwagandha products, from capsules to teas. They want to improve their well-being, seeking alternatives to synthetic medications. Could ashwagandha be the answer to modern stress and health challenges? Let's explore its potential together and discover how this ancient herb can benefit us today. Stress is a part of life, but too much stress is harmful. Ashwagandha can help. It lowers cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone. High cortisol leads to problems. These include anxiety and sleeplessness. Ashwagandha promotes relaxation. It helps you feel calmer. Studies show ashwagandha's benefits. It reduces stress levels. It improves sleep quality. It even boosts brain function. Adding ashwagandha to your routine is easy. You can find it in various forms. Capsules are popular and convenient. Ashwagandha tea is delicious. Simply add hot water to a tea bag. You can find it in most health food stores. The recommended dosage varies. Consult your doctor, they can guide you. Start with a low dose, increase it gradually. Section 4. Unleash your inner energy. Feeling tired and sluggish? Ashwagandha can help. It boosts energy levels naturally. It doesn't make you jittery like caffeine. Ashwagandha improves stamina. It's great for athletes. It also helps with muscle recovery after exercise. Ashwagandha boosts mental energy too. It improves focus and concentration. It can even enhance memory. Section 5. Radiance from within. Ashwagandha is good for your skin. It has antioxidant properties. Antioxidants protect your skin from damage. Ashwagandha helps with collagen production. Collagen keeps your skin firm and youthful. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Ashwagandha can also help with acne. It balances hormones. This can reduce breakouts. Your skin will look clearer. Section 6. A word of caution. Ashwagandha is generally safe for most people when taken in appropriate doses. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is known for its adaptogenic properties, which help the body manage stress. However, there are some important precautions to keep in mind before incorporating ashwagandha into your routine. Not everyone may experience the same benefits, and individual reactions can vary. Pregnant women, for instance, should avoid using ashwagandha. There is not enough reliable information about the safety of taking ashwagandha during pregnancy, and it may pose risks to both the mother and the developing fetus. Additionally, ashwagandha can interact with certain medications. If you are taking medication for conditions such as thyroid disorders, diabetes, or autoimmune diseases, it is crucial to consult your healthcare provider before starting ashwagandha. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs. Your doctor will consider your overall health history, including any chronic conditions or allergies, to determine if ashwagandha is a suitable supplement for you. This step is essential to avoid any potential adverse effects. They will also recommend the right dosage tailored to your needs. It's important to follow their guidance and not exceed the suggested amount. Listen to your body and monitor how you feel after taking ashwagandha. Start with a low dose to see how your body reacts. Gradually increase the dosage if needed, but always stay within the recommended limits. This approach helps minimize the risk of side effects. If you experience any side effects such as digestive issues, headaches, or allergic reactions, stop taking ashwagandha immediately and consult your doctor. Your health and safety should always come first. Section 7. Embrace the power of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is a powerful herb that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. This adaptogen is renowned for its ability to help the body manage stress. But that's not all. Ashwagandha offers a multitude of benefits. It can significantly reduce stress levels, boost energy, and improve skin health. Imagine feeling more relaxed, having more energy to get through your day, and enjoying a radiant complexion. Incorporate ashwagandha into your daily routine in various ways. You can add ashwagandha powder to your morning smoothie, take it as a supplement, or even brew it into a calming tea. By making ashwagandha a part of your life, you'll experience the difference. Feel calmer, more energized, and radiant. It's a simple addition that can have profound effects on your overall well-being. However, it's important to remember to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, including ashwagandha. They can provide personalized advice and ensure it's safe for you, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Your doctor can guide you on the right dosage and form of ashwagandha that would be most beneficial for you. Embrace the power of ashwagandha and discover the many ways it can enhance your life. From reducing stress to boosting energy and improving skin health, this ancient herb has so much to offer. Unlock a healthier and happier you by incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine. Feel the difference and embrace a more balanced, vibrant life.